Chief said the 27-member bloc is committed to securing a trade deal with the United States based on respect, not threats. It comes after the United States President Donald Trump threatened to slap a 50% tariff on all goods sent to the United States from the European Union. The European Union also fully engaged, committed to securing a deal that works for both. The European Union Trade Commissioner, that is Markov, said after a call with the U.S. Trade Representative Jamieson Greer and the Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick. Also, the European Union and the United States trade is unmatched and must be guided by mutual respect, not threats. We stand ready to defend our interest. Earlier on Friday, Trump expressed impatience with the pace of ongoing EU-US trade negotiations, saying his plan to raise tariff on the 1st of June was set. Posting on his Truth Social platform, Trump said, "Our discussion with them, that is the European Union, are going nowhere," adding that there would be no tariff for products built or manufactured in the United States. "I'm not looking for a deal. We have set the deal," he told the reporters later, before immediately adding that a big investment in the United States by a European company might make him open to a delay. Also, the European Union is one of the Washington's largest trading partners, sending more than $600 billion in goods last year and buying $370 billion worth, the US government figures show. Also, reacting to the Trump's threat, the European governments have warned that higher tariff also would be damaging to the both sides. Also, we do not need to go down this road. Negotiations are best and only sustainable way forward, the Ireland's Taoiseach Prime Minister Michael Martin said. "We are maintaining the same line, de-escalation, but we are ready to respond," said the French Foreign Minister Laurent Saint-Martin. The German Economy Minister, that is Katharina Recchi, also said that we must do everything to ensure that the European Commission reaches a negotiated solution with the United States. Dutch Prime Minister Dick Schoof also said that he also is backing the European Union strategy in the trade talks, and we have seen before that tariff can go up and down in talks with the United States. We'll have to see how the issue